Hello, my C++ students. So let's look at assignment 1. The question is due on the 29th of April 2021. Oh, they tell me there's an automatic extension until the 3rd of May. That's great. The tutorial matter, you needed to have covered lessons 1 through 16. And look at this. The contribution of the weight is 30%. So let's read it. It says, question number 1, find a good cookbook. Read the instructions for your favorite dish. Write a program to display the recipe on screen, but with a difference. The quantity for each ingredient must be multiplied by a value entered from the keyboard. For example, if the recipe needs 2 cups of flour, the output displayed will be something like this. Now I can't do the question for you, right? But I'm going to help you and assist you to get where it is. So it says, if you struggle with the software, contact your e-tutor. Yes, there have been some people who contacted me. Let's start now. Let's create a new project. It's a console application. It's a C++ program. Let's give it a name. Let's call it assignment 01 Q1 V1, right? Version 1. And I'm going to save that and I'm going to say next. My compiler is the GNU GCC compiler. Yes, I'm happy with that. Finish. So here's my program. It says include IO stream using namespace standard int name, right? Great. Let's build and run just to check that my program is working. Okay, build and run. I'm very happy with that. Hello world. Press any key to continue. Great. Now here's a trick that I learned in programming. I look at the output and see if I can mimic what they are expected it from me. It says, please enter the factor to multiply ingredients with. So that is an output statement. That's what they want you to display. So here I have cout hello world. Let's go and put in cout. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Please enter the factor to multiply ingredients with. They have a colon. Let's close that. ENDL stands for end line. And whenever you make a change in a program, try and build and run and see if it works. Let's build and run. Build and run. Hello world. It's not working. I wonder why. It's supposed to say please enter the factor. Let's go again. Build and run. Build and run. This is not working. I wonder why. I am on, let's go click on file. Click on save the file as. Yay. Okay, I found the mistake. File. Save the project. And I'm going to save it as right. Yes, I've saved the project. Now let me go and build and run. Click on build and run. It doesn't seem to be working. I wonder why. Let me go and close my previous version. Close that. Close my program. Yes. Now I have it opened. Let's run again. cout. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Let me see my build and run. Build and run. There we go. Hello world. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. So I'm quite happy with that, right? Now you'll notice it didn't run the first time I tried it. This will happen with you as well. Don't panic. Close whatever you're working with and try again. So I've got the first part of it there. It says, please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. And they're expecting you to put in 4. Then it's got the word recipe name, ingredients, other ingredients, and it needs to display 8 cups of flour. So you knew that it's 2 cups of flour needs to be multiplied by 4. So that's how you're going to get 8. Now remember this in programming. Every program will have basically 3 components: input, processing, and output. So in this program, the input is the factor that you need to multiply it by, 4. The processing takes place where I take 4 and I multiply it by 2. The output is 8 cups of flour. Right? 8 cups of flour. Now they give me some hints out here. It says declare an int variable named m factor. So I got to declare it. Now declaration comes at line 6. So it says int, and the variable name is m factor. Oh, I've done a new line. Let me run this thing. Now you're beginning to run programs. Let's start again. Build and run. Build and run. Build and run. Yay, it works. Then it says to store the value, and which the quantity of each ingredient must be multiplied. The program must make use of a cin statement to input a value from the keyboard and store it in m factor. So now we need to insert a value and store it in m factor. Just cin. This is console. In m factor. So that's how I take a value from the keyboard and I put it into m factor. Let's run the program. Build and run. Build and run. See. Oh, there we go. Please, hello world. Oh, we still got hello world out there. We got to take that out, right? Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with, and we're going to put on 4. Uh-oh, the 4 is at the bottom of the screen. I should have had it right next to where it says with. That's okay, no problem. I can do that. All I need to do is take out the end line from there. ENDL. Right? Project build and run, build and run, build and run, build and run. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. So I'm going to put on 4. Enter. Yay! So I've done the first part, which is input into the program. Now I'm going to stop at this point because I can't help you with answering the questions. You got to struggle a little to find out how to work the program out. So I've done the first part. You need to work a little bit in terms of how you do the calculations. We also don't need this hello world. Maybe you can put in some other things out there. Okay, so I hope I've helped you a little bit in trying to understand what's going on with this program. Thank you, over and out. Watch for a forthcoming attraction will be the rest of the questions. I hope you like my videos. If you do, please post a message in the discussion forum, then I know whether I should continue or not. Alright? Bye for now.